Hi, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website savannahjaneboutique.com. I'm on a home page. I'll just close this pop-up, and the logo is nice, but it kind of feels it disappearing. It is too pale, and it takes quite a lot of space. Also, this tab, as you can see, it overlaps the text underneath. So think about changing the placement of this tab, perhaps by the on the left hand side, on the edge, or on the right hand side. It's much better because otherwise people don't see what's this over here. Also reduce the size of the header area. It takes too much space. It pushes the rest of the website content down, and it works against your conversion rate because it hogs the above the fold area. So above the fold is the area displayed without scrolling down, and the best converting stores add as much content to this area to convert. So reducing the header area to just a small this kind of panel will lift the content website content up, and people will be able to see the products and the rest of the content on the homepage as soon as they land. The featured collections look great. Consider using the images the same height in the same dimension, so they display in one line. And also, two collections have the same images, so maybe you can use a different image to add some variety. Featured collection looks really nice. Consider optimizing the titles to be more SEO friendly, to be more specific, such as you can tell toddler clothing, featured toddler clothing. So something that gives Google a little bit more details. The featured item, the featured image with Shop Now is really nicely optimized. It's linked to your collections link, which is perfect. Mom's Corner, okay, so this is linked to other collection. Okay, the footer is nicely organized. Remember to add more trust signals such as about us page, contact us page, shipping policy, and returns policy. They are also important for sales. The collection page looks great. Remember to optimize the images to the same height to display them in one line. And the product page looks great. As I mentioned, if you reduce the header size, people will be able to see more detail above the fold as soon as they land. Otherwise, the product itself, the product image, add to cart, and all the details are being pushed out of view. So if your header area was smaller, then the above default would be better for your sales, would be better optimized for conversion, because people will be able to see the item as soon as they land. They will be able to see add to cart button, which will improve your conversion rate because your visitors will be able to click it and shop. Your SEO is 46 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet needs optimization, so your meta title still features your brand name, so remember to add more details here as well as to your meta description. Remember to work on the quality of your content to rank for the target keywords, and also add more content through regular blogging, and also optimize the images with SEO friendly alt tags. Also optimize your URLs to be more specific, shorter, and more SEO friendly as well. Remember to integrate Google Analytics. This is free platform. It can help you track your visitors. It can help you track incoming traffic, see where it's coming from. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.